I've made over $700,000 in the past month from launching meme coins. Just keep watching because I'm going to show you guys exactly step by step on how I made it all happen. Now, like I said, all we do is we launch meme coins. For example, basically we create a meme coin, we wait for buyers to buy inside the coin, and when the market cap is high enough, we remove the liquidity and we get away with thousands of dollars in profits. And the reason why this strategy is so profitable and so effective is because we make all our money off meme coin traders. So compared to meme coin traders, we have nothing to lose. All you have to do is create the coin, wait for buyers, and then dump it and rinse and repeat. But if you trade meme coins, you could always lose your money at any given moment. So if you are broke and you want to make some money, well, this video is for you because I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your own coin and then make some money. But before we get started, I just want to be clear that this video is for educational purposes only, so please do not copy me. But anyways, the secret tool that I use to launch my own coins is called create token.Fun, because it's the only website on YouTube that actually works and that actually launches your coin on the Solana blockchain. Now, the reason why this website is so good and so effective is because all your coins will be listed on the Radium Dex, which is 10 times better than Pump.Fun, because if you launch your coins on Pump.Fun, your coin has to go through a bonding curve phase and it has to get a $90,000 market cap for it to graduate on the Radium Dex, right? But by going directly on createtokens.Fun, you are skipping all that migration time and your coin will be automatically graduated on the Radium Dex, which means that your coin will reach way more eyeballs. But anyways, coming back to the site, you have two different options to make your first meme coin. The first one is to make a coin from scratch. So basically it's really simple. You find a viral meme on Twitter, you find a viral tweet, or you find some kind of news and you make a coin off of it. So you would essentially come here, put the token name, token symbol, and token image, right? And just continue with other steps. If you're confused about the steps, you can just read here. They're really simple, and yeah. But the second way to create your own coin is actually my favorite one because I'm personally printing thousands of dollars by doing this, and it's actually by copying meme coins. So basically all we do is we steal narratives that are already working on Pump.Fun and we list it back up on the Radium Dex to make way more money. And as you can see on screen, all the coins that pops up here, they're all trending on Pump.Fun. So by copying these coins, you are guaranteed to get some buyers because they're already proven concepts. But anyways, if you've made it this far, now it's time to create a coin and make some money. So I'm gonna look for a coin that is decent. So the Vanta FI coin right here just caught my attention. It has a last buy 25 seconds ago, 44 replies, and a $34,000 market cap. So first of all, connect your wallet, boom. Now as you can see, it's connected. Then click on copy coin, create coin. Then I'll go inside your Phantom wallet. Oh, I did that wrong. Okay, a warning will pop up. Okay, it's completely normal. Every single person is gonna get this warning. Just do proceed anyway. Boom, 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 and boom. And then your coin should be created shortly. Just be patient, it should take, yeah, boom, copy here. And as you can see, if I click on view on SoScan, you can see that the coin is legitimately created on the blockchain. So this website actually works. Now click on create liquidity pool, and now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Okay, so here's like your coin, here's like your Solana balance, amount token A. Click on 90% to put 900 million coins in the pool. But if you want to keep it simple, you can click on max if you want, but I'm personally going to do 90% because I want to keep 10% in my wallet. Okay, so amount token B, I'm going to put 0.5 SOL. This is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in your own token, and since you will be the first buyer inside your coin, you are not losing this money. Okay, so the minimum is 0.3 SOL and the maximum is unlimited. Okay, but anyways, now I'm gonna create a pool in 3, 2, 1. And now the Phantom wallet will pop up again. Confirm, and then click on refresh, and boom, It popped up. As you can see, I'm already $63 in profit, which is absolutely insane for the beginning of the coin. Now click on view on Photon, and now our coin is live. Oh my god, what? We're already at a $673 market cap? What? We just got a $75 buy, bro. Oh my god, it's actually insane. Okay, the coin is kinda consolidating right now, but if it rips really high, I am gonna remove the liquidity. Come on, I believe in this coin. Oh my god! It's pumping so much! Oh my god, come on, one more buy, one more buy! Oh my god! Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to create tokens.Fun, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Oh my god, I'm gonna retire my entire family. Confirm. And boom! We just pumped and dumped the coin, and that's exactly how you print money without even doing anything. And if I open my Phantom wallet to see exactly how much I made in 3, 2, 1, $600 is inside my wallet, bro. Oh my god, I made $500 off this one meme coin launch. Create tokens.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. If you want to enter the 1 soul giveaway for the next video, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and yeah, bye.